Kini nga bagyo nga pwede unyang nga kusuga, no? Doon naghapon tay gamay nga kahayag may gala nga makita. Pinagi ni nga to ang pagtanaw ato mga kinayahan, no? I hope dili ni mga guba sa bintao ni nga to mga kinayahan nga nindot kayo, no? Kini atong mga tourist destination bigadalino nga maagian unya, no? Maagian unya atol sa kining pagsudyod sa bagyo, no? Bagyo. I hope nga dili ni mga guba intaw ni nga to ang mga kuan ni to
Mommy, the bathroom has water in it. Come quickly!
I try very hard to be in control of her and everything, but may as well not even be there at all.
I don't like how it feels when I saw it.
Just stay there, okay? Just hold on.
How deep is it? Are we gonna die? Is the house gonna fall on top of us? Mommy!
Hey, we just got home, and you would not believe.
We are out of time. I have another patient coming, so
Wait, now? What about the 10-minute warning?
yeah, I just wasn't paying attention.
You didn't respond to the email that I sent you about my dream.
I don't respond to my clients' dream emails.
I know you have a lot on your plate, but she's getting better, and the rest of it is totally temporary. You need to be a team. This whole
I know. The problem with that logic, though, is that I'm not a housewife. I work, too.
oh,
I can see you now.
You've missed the last few weeks of family session.
I told you what happened. Our entire ceiling fell down, and we're living out of the hotel.
Yes on these, but no on the wine.
But it isn't even 2.
It's 1:58. By the time I ring these up, it will be past 2.
Yo, Crazy Pants. I was gonna partake in surfing the web for some things that I'm into.
What kind of stuff? I'm supposed to know how to fix this. I'm supposed to know how to fix her.
What is it you think it's your job to fix?
I'm asking you what I'm supposed to do. Can you hear me?
I would like you to get a good night's sleep.
Whatever. This isn't supposed to be what it's like. This isn't it. This can't be it. Everything is under control.
Ang low pressure area na ating minomonitor ay huling namataan natin alas 3 ng madaling araw sa karagatan ng Corcuera, Lumblon.
Tumaas po ba yung tsansa nito na maging isang bagyo?
Sa ngayon, Anjo, ay mababa pa rin ang tsansa nitong maging isang bagyo at sa susunod na mga araw, inaasahan na ito po ay matutunaw din po.
Ano po yung inaasahang galaw nitong low pressure area at saka saan po kaya ito posibleng magpaulan?
Inaasahan po na ito po ay aakyat dito sa bahagi po ng Southern Luzon area at Central Luzon at ito po ay nasa West Philippine Sea na by Thursday. At inaasahan din po na by that time ay maari din po itong matunaw at apektado po nito at uulanin ang malaking bahagi po ng Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, Zambales, Bataan, Pampanga at Bulacan. Asahan na po ang mga pag-ulan ngayong hapon hanggang early tomorrow po. So yung ating mga kababayan sa nabanggit ko pong mga lugar ay asahan po o magdala po tayo ng mga payong o mga pananggalang sa ulan.
Ms. Glyza, last question no, kasi mainit itong mga nakarang araw. Gaano po kaya kalakas at karaming ulan ang dapat pangandaan ng mga kapuso natin?
Etong mga areas na aking binanggit, kasama na rin po ang Isabela, Quirino at Aurora. Generally, light to moderate rains po ang naasahan nating mga pag-ulan. Ngunit kung meron po mga thunderstorm ay asahan na rin po na bigla ang buhos ng malalakas na ulan. Although yung mga duration ng mga ganitong malalakas na ulan ay mga 1 to 2 hours lamang po.
Maraming salamat at